How to add stickers in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can easily import the video that you want to edit. So here, I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, hit on next. Now we in this editing platform. Here, you can make different changes and edits in the video. Here on the bottom, there's a section of stickers. Simply hit on stickers, and this is the place where you can import different stickers. So you can directly search for them or even add them. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, the sticker will be imported. Now you can edit or even cut it out. So it's up to you, and you can even place it in different parts of the video. At last, you can easily use it and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.